Be the change you want to see in the world. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. The greatest danger for most of us is not that our aim is to high and we miss it, but that our aim is to low when we hit it. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Being alone is better than being with someone bad. Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere, they are in each other all along. A mother's heart is a child's school. The richest person is not the one who has the most, but the one who needs the least. The mouth should have three gatekeepers. Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Get together like brothers, but work together like strangers. We have one mouth and two ears for a reason. We need to listen more than we speak. Jealousy is nothing more than a fear of abandonment. A secret is like a dove, when it leaves my hand it takes wings. A sense of humor is the pole that adds balance to our steps as we walk that tightrope of life. A known mistake is better than an unknown truth.